What are you saying?
Kiss the Boer, kiss the farmer. I thought it's English.
It is?
Yes.
And what does that mean?
It means kiss.
Kiss how?
Mwah.
To my mind, if you
Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Wala cameras. Malema winner. Malema, man. Julius Malema. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Cyril Ramaphosa adapita kunja paja tinapanga kale post video kumene amakakonza ubale umene ulipo pakati pa South Africa komanso azungu pano pamveka mbiri kuti ayi azungu akuphedwa akuchitidwa chipongwe. Iyeyu ndithu anapita kumene ndi vice president wake wa chipani cha DA. Choncho atafika kumene kuja adapangira play video ya Malema imene imamveka ngati kuti kill the Boer, kill the farmer, komanso shoot to kill, something like that. Ndiye na Trump anawapatsa video yokuti aone, koma anaoneka zoti Cyril Ramaphosa anali uncomfortable. Sanali comfortable yayi, koma amaoneka zoti akusoseka mtendere kuti kusowa zoyankha. Ndiye anyway anawapatsa zithunzi zina ndi zina zimene zina nzaku DRC. Komano kumapeto kwake pamene a Trump amaufusa ona kuti kodi ameneyu nyamata ameneyoyo kunena Julius Malema kuti osamanga banji. Fazimene akunenazo ndi za racist komanso zo I don't know mulimo semene yankhulamo bwanji osamanga nyamata ameneyo. Ndiye funso limenelo ndimene linavuta kuti Cyril Ramaphosa kuti ayankhe. Ndiye zinapezeka kuna kuti amanso atolankhani iye uchatabwera kumene kujako ndithu anamuyitana actually anamfunsa kuti banji akuwuzani kuti mummange uyo, komano zoyankha zake anayankha chonchi. Ya mulimo semo andayankha kuti ayi nkhani sikuti wina atiuze kuti ayi mangano wakuti kuti ayi komano tili ndi malamulo athu.
For us. And when it comes to the issues of arresting anyone for any slogan, that is a sovereign issue. It's not a matter where we need to be instructed by anyone that go and arrest this one. We are a very proud sovereign country that has its own laws, that has its own processes, and we take into account what the Constitutional Court also decided when it said that, that slogan, kill the Boer, kill the farmer, is a liberation chant and slogan. And it's not meant to be a message that elicits or calls upon anyone to go and be killed. And that is what our court decided. So they will probably want to arrest people willy-nilly. We follow the dictates of our constitution because we are a constitutional state and we are a country where freedom of expression is the bedrock of our constitutional arrangements.
Kumabe despite kuyankha choncho Julius Malema ndithu anakaonekera ku court.
What are you saying?
Kiss the Boer, kiss the farmer. I thought it's English.
It is?
Yes.
And what does that mean?
It means kiss.
Kiss how?
Mwah.
to my mind, if you say kiss the Boer, but you still say shoot to kill, it still is hate speech. However, if you just blatantly say kill the Boer, then you don't even have that argument to fall back on.
No, the message in the chant is very clear. Shoot to kill, kill. Nyamazan means shoot to kill the enemy forces who are standing in between us and our freedom. It was very clear that. And then the kiss is exactly that. It means kiss the Boer, kiss the farmer. Because I know when I say that, you are going to take offense. You know why? Because you don't want a black person kissing a white person. It's an immoral act, according to the immoral act of during apartheid. Even to embrace love and kissing of black people to white people, it's a criminal offense.
kukayankha nkhani ya zimenezi za nyimbo imeneyi ndi kumene amapanga zimenezi chazo nde Julius Malema ndi mmene amamfunsa ku khoti kuja kuti kodi iwe nyumba yako ikutanthauza chani, nyumba yako yatere nde amayimasulira muno wake kuti yayi nkhani itu sikunali kuti ikhilo koma to kiss the farmer, to kiss the bull. Nde anafunsa kuti nanga umati shoot to kill kuti uwombere uphe zimatanthauza chani. Julius Malema wayankha kuti ayi kupha nyama. Anyway guys, ndipo Julius Malema adamuyankha Trump kuti ayi makamaka mbazimene amakambaza kuti adakamuuza iyeyo kuti apiteko, like adakambirana iye munthu wake wanakakayankha konko kwa America konko.
I will never be intimidated by America. I will never be intimidated by Donald Trump. They were speaking about me in that meeting at White House. If they were not gossiping about me, they should have called me into that meeting. I would have answered everything that Donald Trump wanted from us. Banchaba basebakanna batho ba baholo ka dikhoneng ba tia transport ba ya kwa America ba yo bua ka nna sleghe. If they are not scared of me, call me into that meeting. That nonsense that Trump did in America, he will never do that nonsense in my presence, because I will confront him here and there with the facts. Ramaphosa could not present the facts in front of Donald Trump. You've got a coward president. He left here. Ariana, he won't be bullied. When he arrived there, he was shaking. Atatazela, achaba Donald Trump, another president scared of another president. Donald Trump said to him, when you say farmers, you mean white people. He kept quiet. Farmers do not mean white people. They are black farmers. They are white farmers. Ramaphosa is a farmer himself. He should have said to Donald Trump, no, farmers are not white. I'm a farmer myself. I am not white. Why didn't he present that simple fact before Donald Trump? Why didn't he say, there are so many people killed in South Africa, and majority of them are blacks. There is no white genocide in South Africa. Bammonchatsila with crosses. He opens his eyes in shock. I know South Africa with my eyes closed. He's unable to tell Donald Trump that is not a picture of South Africa. This picture does not belong to us. We don't have mass graves of white people in South Africa. Comrades, Donald Trump says to him, hey Ramaphosa, Donald Trump says to him, hey Ramaphosa, why are you not arresting this Julius Malema? Why is this Julius Malema not in jail? He can't respond with a simple fact that this song killed the Boer, killed. He failed to defend the Constitutional Court. By failing to defend the Constitutional Court, it means he failed to protect the Constitution. And when you fail to protect the Constitution as a president of the country, you have failed in your primary duty of defending the sovereignty of South Africa. Ramaphosa is a failure, but you must understand one thing. When Trump says, why is this man not in jail? Why is this man not arrested? He simply means, why is this man not dead? Why are you not killing this man who wants to kill for white people? In that White House, my ticket was taken out. They called for my life with an attempt to silence me. They will never kill me again, because where I am dead. because black people are dead. Black people have got no dignity. Black people have got no human rights. Black people cannot determine their own destination. They are waiting on the white supremacists to tell them which direction to take. What is this life we are living of being cowards?
Hey, zochitika too much, guys. Thank you so much, Malawian cameras. Malawian camera.